Phase 1. Discovery.
Phase 1. Discovery. The Sikorsky S-64 Skycrane.
The engine is gone, leaping behind a complex web of corroded wiring and empty mounts. Phase 1. The discovery. The imposing size of the Sikorsky S-64 Skycrane contrasts sharply with its desolate state here in the junkyard. Prolonged exposure to the elements transforms the mighty Skycrane. This extreme close-up reveals nature reclaiming the rusted metal.
Confirming position over the target, character B. Roger that, character A. Proceeding with the final extension.
Bring it down easy, just a foot more. All right, hold it there. I got the hook. Final connections are secure. Go ahead and lift.
Roger that. Initiating hoist.
The extraction continues as the heavy lift cranes carefully maneuver the Skycrane wreck onto the specialized transport below.
The final bolts are clear.
All right, easy lift on the crane. Watch the splines as it separates.
Watch the clearance on the left side. Got it. Keep going up steady.
The Sikorsky S-64 Skycrane, seen here during teardown, shows significant wear. '54, Phase 3, Transport and Teardown. Phase 3, Transport and Teardown. The overhead crane transports the S-64 Skycrane skeleton towards the restoration area. The high-pressure sandblasting begins, systematically removing all remaining rust and old paint from the S-64 frame.
In Phase 4 of the restoration, sandblasting reveals the pristine raw metal of the Sikorsky S-64 Skycrane skeleton.
The vibrant industrial orange paint is now drying on the S-64 frame. As the solvents evaporate, the high...
Phase 4, restoration.
The fully painted gloss industrial orange skeleton of the Sikorsky 64 Skycrane rests.
Bolt sequence 4, confirm torque.
Confirmed. Moving to sequence 5.
Just a few more inches to the left. Looks aligned. Bring it down.
Torquing the main mounts now. We are clear on this side. Alignment looks good on this side.
Okay, seating the strut now.
Watch the alignment on section 4. Clear. Bring the rivet gun over here. Panel secured, moving to the next section.
Start the sequence on connector 4.
Applying torque now, applying torque now.
Confirmation received, moving to the next bolt.
Leakage confirmed negative. We are good to go.
Align the pitch link now.
Clear on the left side.
Ready for the torque sequence.
finalizing the torque on this connection now.
And the routing on the main bundle is clear.
The gauge reading here confirms the pressure is stable.
And the final torque on the rotor assemble is signed off. We are ready.
Indicating full electrical functionality.
Hold the line, watch your clearance on the starboard wing. Slow it down now. Yes,